In January of 2021, Keystone took the RV industry by storm with the introduction of our newest product line, Arcadia. Wanting to challenge traditional RV engineering and design, Arcadia delivered historic innovation that leads to improved performance, unmatched storage, and convenience with breathtaking residential design and styling. Obviously, what we did resonated with customers because Arcadia has received numerous industry awards, including RV of the Year by RV Business.
For 2023, we're excited to introduce a new chapter in our story, the Arcadia Super Lite. All Arcadia Super Lite fifth wheels are designed at weights and lengths to be easily towed by today's half-ton pickup trucks. Like Arcadia's full-size floor plans, Super Lites are engineered to feel open and expansive, thanks to their unique cap design, space-saver chassis, and oversized windows. This also means larger showers, lots of drawers, and taller cabinets.
We've refined the chassis design, incorporating an 8-inch structural I-beam to reduce weight while increasing strength. Each chassis construction and axle placement has been carefully engineered for optimum towing performance. All Super Lites feature the exceptional CURT performance package that starts with CURT's ARV hitch that reduces chucking and road chatter by 50%. Rugged suspension components include greasable wet bolts, bronze bushings, thicker half-inch shackle links, and rubberized equalizer system. New with the Super Lite series, we've added greater agility with Dexter axles with never adjust brakes.
Super Lite models will also feature Arcadia's signature finished pass-through storage and longer awnings. For 2023, we've updated our dedicated convenience center to be even more functional and easier for you to use.
When it comes to extreme weather, no other product in its class offers the amount of features and performance that you'll find on Arcadia. To keep you cool in the summer, Super Lite's Peak Weather Protection Package features 2 layers of fiberglass insulation in the roof and a layer of reflective foil insulation that covers the entire roof. Arcadia is also equipped with the industry's best air conditioner, the Colin 15,000 BTU Q Series, which is just one part of our Blade Pure air delivery package. When it's cold outside, you're going to be comfortable inside because Super Lite gives you a 35,000 BTU furnace in every floor plan, along with an electric fireplace that provides an additional 5,000 BTUs of heating capacity. Down in the basement, we have an enclosed underbelly that's heated and insulated with astrofoil insulation. Plus, we go the extra mile by including 12-volt heat pads on all of your holding tanks.
Arcadia continues to push towards an unparalleled RV experience with new tankless water heaters, optional factory-installed Dragonfly lithium-ion batteries, and the ability to equip any Arcadia with the Keystone SolarFlex packages that can go all the way up to the built for boondocking SolarFlex 600 IL.
Floor plan by floor plan, Arcadia Super Lites are the better looking, weigh hundreds of pounds less, and have more features while delivering extremely aggressive pricing. From the beginning, Arcadia set out to be a different kind of RV for a different kind of camper. We can't wait to bring the excitement of Arcadia Super Lite to the most popular truck segment in North America. Welcome to the future of camping.